using Go High Level, you can now integrate with other platforms to draw in all of your testimonials, whether it be through like Zillow, for instance. If you've got a bunch of testimonials on Zillow or Facebook, you can now integrate all of those testimonials into one place within your Go High Level account. So here, let me show you how easy it is to do. Okay, so we're going to go into Reputation, which is right here in your menu. So we're going to click that. And then we're going to go into your settings. So go into Settings. And now, if you go here to the left under Integrations, you can now incorporate all of your testimonials, your client reviews from any of these apps. So, even Airbnb, for instance, so we're going to come down here, Booking.com, eBay, Expedia, Foursquare, Facebook. Here's where you would integrate your Facebook, your Google Business Profile, if you haven't already done that through when you did your initial account setup on your dashboard. Health grades, hotels, Houzz, Openly, Indeed, even lawyers.com, TripAdvisor. There's so many here. Okay, so we're going to look. Here we go. So we're going to do share and copy link. Don't cut and paste what's here. Do the copy link instead. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this and integrate. And voila. Okay, so now back in our overview, you'll see that it took all the Zillow reviews and placed them right there on your dashboard. And you can also reply right through here without having to log back into Zillow, for instance, to whenever you get new reviews. So this is great for anybody who has a bunch of reviews, whether they be on Facebook or a site like Zillow or Airbnb reviews, that type of thing, to be able to manage all of your reviews in one place. Another great thing I wanted to show you about the integrations is that if you don't see your particular app here, you can come over to Custom Links and add it through here. Just simply drop in the URL here and hit Submit. And then all of your testimonials should come right in. And you're done. If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Go High Level account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.